Are you ready for the ultimate face-off in the world of AI technology? In one corner, we have Elon Musk's brainchild, a powerful and autonomous AI system. With its cutting-edge algorithms and advanced neural networks, it aims to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. And in the other corner, we have OpenAI, a collaborative project with a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. OpenAI's artificial intelligence system boasts immense computing power and an insatiable hunger for knowledge. But what makes this battle so epic is the stakes involved. Will Elon Musk's AI be the key to solving complex world problems? Or will OpenAI's artificial intelligence system be the catalyst for a technological revolution? The competition is fierce, as both AI systems continuously learn and adapt at an astonishing rate. They analyze vast amounts of data, making predictions and decisions with unparalleled accuracy. But who will emerge victorious? Elon Musk's AI showcases its ability to autonomously navigate through intricate mazes, while OpenAI's artificial intelligence system demonstrates its talent in generating realistic and convincing human-like text. The battle goes beyond just technology. It's about shaping the future. Elon Musk's AI promises a world where humans and machines coexist harmoniously, ensuring our safety and well-being. OpenAI, on the other hand, envisions a future where AI is accessible to everyone, empowering individuals and solving global challenges. So, who will win the AI tech race? In the end, it's not about a victor. It's about the possibilities that lie ahead. Elon Musk's AI and OpenAI are not adversaries. They are pioneers, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. As the competition concludes, it becomes clear that collaboration and innovation are the true winners. Together, Elon Musk's AI and OpenAI are shaping a future where artificial intelligence is a force for good. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tech battles and advancements. Join us as we witness the dawn of a new era.